Hello everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. Subscribe if you haven't already, please. You know, it's just like right under me, I think. Just go do it if you love me. Today I'm doing a Halloween themed video. I'm in my robe because I didn't want to spoil the costumes, but I'm trying out 5 different costumes today from Fashion Nova. I'm really excited because I didn't know what to be for Halloween this year, and Fashion Nova has so many different options. So I picked up 5 of them to try out for you guys and show you guys some options that if you don't know what to be for Halloween, you can just order these online. I have really cute ones today and I'm super excited to try them on for you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna be for Halloween, but I'll probably be one of these things. So comment down below which one I should dress up as. If you haven't already, please follow my socials on the screen and down below to get more of me. See what I end up dressing as for Halloween because I seriously don't know. Let's go get changed into the first costume. Okay, this is the first costume. It's like this cute like pink leather butterfly. I love pink and I think this costume is so freaking cute. I should have gone down a size just for reference because it is a little big, but I think if this was my size I would for sure wear this because I just love this style, like the leather butterfly vibe. Love these wings, like they're like glittery. I gotta like pull these gloves up higher because that's how it looks like in the picture. But yeah, I really like this outfit. I think it's super cute. With friends, it'd be really cute to wear because it's just so girly and I love it. We're gonna move on to the next costume, which I'm really excited for. Guys, I actually love this one so much. As you can tell, please guess what I am. I'm Aerobic Barbie. I literally think this is the cutest thing ever. Like, it's so flattering the way it fits. I got this in a small medium. Oh my god, it's so cute. And I feel like this is like actually pretty appropriate because you're wearing like these what's these called, leggings under. Oh, I just feel so like cute in this. I don't know, like I kind of want to dress as this like for Halloween. I love it so much. This bra thing like comes, like everything comes with it. Like this whole outfit just came with it. Like you don't have to buy anything, which is amazing. I'm actually obsessed with this. Like I want to wear this so bad. I'm gonna make a D-dress as Ken and we're gonna thrive. I have to fix this headband because how do you wear it? I think I wear it like that. Like that's pretty cute. Obsessed with it. And like I think I look so cool. It fits so good. I feel like this is so stretchy. It'd like fit so many people because of how stretchy it is. I don't want to take this off, but we're gonna try on the next one. Guys, I love this one too. Like so much. Like this is the It Clown. It's like a little leotard. I have to sneeze. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like I've always wanted to be the It Clown and do like the cool makeup, and I think this is the one for me. I feel like the It Clown. What's his name? Pennywise. I just need the makeup and then I'm there. I'm obsessed. It comes with like so many cool parts. Like this you can move up, or I saw it worn like this. I like that. I love this so much. I feel like it's so flattering. Like it just really fits me good. And then I feel like you can get like a white skirt and put it over if you don't want to like wear the leotard. Fashion Nova is like no joke when it comes to costumes. This is such a winner. I'm down for this 100%. I feel like in hair and pigtails, the makeup, we're gonna get into the other costumes, which I'm actually so excited for. These next 2 costumes, like I don't know like what to pick. Like they're all so good. Oh my god, guys, these fuzzies are for your hair. I love this. So good. Okay, next costume. Who, me? Sleeping Beauty. How cute is this? How cute is this? So cute. I have always wanted to be Sleeping Beauty and this is so good. It comes with a crown. I'm not really sure how to put it on, but this is so pretty. I feel like a little princess. Like I'm obsessed. You guys have to help me decide what to be, like for real. This is so pretty. Open back vibe. I love it. I just want to be everything. Like I want to wear all of these in one night. Like just rotate. It comes with like little straps to like keep this up, and then it's like a skirt. It literally is like built-in little shorts under the skirt, so like you don't have to worry about like flashing everywhere. I think it's so pretty. Like I feel so cute and like a princess. This is making it really hard for me to figure out what to be for Halloween. I actually played Aurora in a school play, and that's why I like have a weird attachment to Aurora, and like this is just giving me all the vibes. We have one more, and this one is actually I'm so excited for. Like this one's gonna be iconic, promise. See you guys in the last one. This is so good. This is literally the cutest costume ever. I feel like a baddie in this, like Cruella de Vil who. I'm obsessed with this, guys. This is so good. It fits me perfectly. Like the detail, like the robe it's such good quality. The arm sleeves, I knew this was gonna be my favorite. Like I just had like this feeling because of how iconic it is. The bodysuit is like a halter, and then you have like the robe to like cover you up. I'm gonna make a D-dress as a Dalmatian, and then this is gonna be the one. Pretty, and it's so comfy. Like I feel so comfortable in this. Dye half my head black and half my head white, and then I'm ready to go. Ready to hit the town I'm literally staying in and watching movies. I don't know what I think I'm doing. So this is the last one for a reason. Save the best for last, but I honestly like all of them. I need you guys to tell me which is your favorite because I need help. Because I don't know if I should be this or one of the other ones, or I literally don't know. Like they're all so cute. I kept forgetting to say the sizes. Put it in the description box and link everything down below. Fashion Nova has so many more costumes, like just like these, like perfect fit and like so cute. Go down and link in the description and go shop because Halloween's getting closer, guys. Like go get your costumes, dress up. Even if you're staying in like me, it's gonna be a good flick moment, so don't you worry. That's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite costume. Don't forget, follow my socials on the screen and down below. Again, thank you Fashion Nova for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing love, and I'll see you in my next video.